Okay, so I am going to connect my 260B backhoe to my John Deere 1025R, and I'm going to show you how easy this goes together. It's great working with a company like John Deere who does a great job engineering a task like this, making it easy for homeowners such as myself. So yeah, again, they did a great job. You can see I put together this little pallet for the backhoe, and it moves around relatively easy. Some decent casters on there. So the first step is to line it up approximately. Right down there, you can see there's, take this out, try not to make it too jittery. There are two posts, one right there and one right there, and they line up with a pocket right there, and you can see that one right there. And then it's guided in right here against here, nice heavy block welded on. And then you have the power connection that I'll be doing. Take this apart. This right now, this is just a the circle for hydraulic fluid. I'm sure there's a better term. And I'm going to tie into this. So the first thing you want to do is make sure there's no pressure on the hydraulics. So you'll release anything, move all the levers, forward, back, side to side. I always carry a rag because there is a little bit of hydraulic fluid that comes out. You want to capture that. So I undo that side, get that side ready, and then disconnect this side. And then because oil is going to come out of there, I'll connect this side first. Usually pretty easy. And then this side, again, just pull back, push in, put it right there. So your hydraulics are active now. Bring it up. That's where it's close. Then you start the tractor and you're going to lower it down. So with the tractor running, you're allowed to use the hydraulics on the backhoe to push it. You're pushing it back toward the tractor, lowering those pins into the two pockets. You can see it's starting to move, and right there, beyond, you can see where the one pin is in the pocket, focused on, and going around to see the other pin in the pocket just to confirm both pins are in the pocket. Now what you're going to want to do is line up those holes there and there. So you're going to push the backhoe a little bit further, back a little bit more, using the bucket and the lift with a stick until it lines up, and you'll see it'll start lifting the whole unit right there. It looks like it's solid, and you can tell for sure by putting the pin in. It's a nice tapered pin, so it goes in the pocket fairly easy. Once you find it, it goes all the way through, and then that pin drops into a slot to prevent the pin from coming out during operation, and that's all you need to do. Very simple. Go around and repeat the same steps on the other side. Right there, just once you find it, once you find the hole, slide it in and drop the pin. And you have the backhoe attached to the tractor at this point in time. You can lift the entire unit up, lift the entire backhoe unit up now, all the way back, and you'll want to grab the travel pin and lock it into place. Something you don't want to do something you don't want to do, a rookie mistake, was I always have this in the folded down position because I have some low trees in the area. And once I tried to connect this, and what had happened is this part up there hits the seat and effectively twisted this up pretty bad as I continued to back up and try to force it and couldn't understand what was going on. Classic rookie mistake. So I ended up having to cut it down there. I beat it with a hammer back into submission, welded it back up, some John Deere green. So that's a rookie mistake. Hopefully you avoid with this information. Don't be like me. Anyway, very simple. Without the camera, I can do it in a matter of 2-3 minutes. So great work, John Deere. By the way, I'm not sponsored by anybody for this video. Thanks a lot for watching.